This is not just a normal bike shop. It's a place where you can volunteer and help out. So I told my wife, when I retire, I want to retire here. So that's what I did. What we're doing is so valuable in so many ways. It's not just about the bike. It's more about what it's doing for the people. Everything that you see or in this room, elsewhere, everything's been donated. A lot of these kids' bikes, they're probably better leaving here than they ever were. Just from a mechanical precision standpoint, that feels pretty good too.